Okay, for 3, again, we have another one that is the multiple choice. So again, whenever you have a problem that asks you to go from polar into rectangular, like this one asks you to do, you're going to have multiple choice. So we're going to put in, first of all, we can put some substitutions in for each one. Now before we do that, I'm going to rewrite this as r cosine theta quantity squared, because I want to take it into one where I just see r cosine by itself. I can put an x in for that one. So r squared cosine squared, I can first take it down to here. I'm going to use substitutions now to replace the r's and cosines with x's and y's. So here's we have r and the r sine. Now r sine itself is a y. So we put y in for that one, and y minus 4 will equal r cosine would be x squared, and then minus 4 cosine, that's going to be an x. So r cosine goes into an x, we put that in for both places here. The r sine turns into a y. Now we need to get it to look like the answers for the multiple choice. So I need to first get y by itself. So I get x squared minus 4x plus 4. Now there is a choice on here that's choice B, but that's got a minus 4. This is plus. So not the same. So I know that's not my correct answer. And then what I can do here, since I don't see any other choices that look like this, that means that you want to factor this one. And factors of 4 that add up to 4 will be 2 and 2. And we'll make both of those negative, which means that we can turn this into x minus 2 quantity squared. And so now that we have this, we know it's going to be choice C for that one. So again, for these kind of problems, you might have to do a little working around to make sure you get it into the proper form. Now, one thing to keep in mind when you do these is, of course, one of the answers you can eliminate right away. Now, if you look at choice D on this one, you basically have this where the 4 is added to that side. Now, although that is correct mathematically, it's not the right answer to the whole thing, because originally they wanted this into rectangular form. So rectangular means you need to have x's and y's in your answer. So that's why on this one choice D would not be correct, although it's mathematically correct, wouldn't be the answer to the whole problem because they want the answer in rectangular form.